Great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most gracious. Hi guys, my name is Akash Salim. My qualification is 8th class promotion international school. I hail from Totakan. I am keen on playing cricket, and the aim of my life is to become a greatest businessman. Today my topic is procrastination. That what is procrastination and how to avoid procrastination. Procrastination is the action of unnecessary or voluntary delaying or postponing something, despite knowing that there will be negative consequences of delaying so. Means that you know that it will be harmful for me, but you delay that work. So this is procrastination. In procrastination you delay your work, and we will have also some tips to avoid procrastination. So that procrastination comes from our mind. It is our thinking that we will delay this work. So there are 4 parts of our mind, but 2 parts are involved in procrastination. The first one is limbic system. Now what is limbic system? It is a system in our mind which think about enjoyment, for a little enjoyment, for short-term enjoyment. When you want to do some work, so the limbic system will order you to enjoy, not to do that work. But you will know that this work is very important than enjoyment. But the limbic system is powerful than the another part of brain. So that's why we enjoy our life and we do not do our work. The second one is prefrontal cortex. Now what are the what do they do in our mind? The limbic system think about enjoyment. It order you to enjoy, just for enjoyment. And the prefrontal cortex tell you to do good work, like your school work. It will order you to do your school work or what, those works which are important in your life. But when you want to do some work is like a school work, so they both will fight in each other. But in the fighting of these both, the limbic system is powerful than prefrontal cortex. It is the intelligent part of our brain, and the limbic system think about enjoyment. So when we want to do a work, so the limbic system will order you to enjoy, and the prefrontal cortex will order you to do that work. As we know that the limbic system is powerful than prefrontal cortex, so when they are fighting in each other to do a work, so 95% limbic system win this fight, and then you enjoy your life. You know that it will be harmful for me, but the limbic system is powerful, that's why we enjoy our life. Now how to avoid procrastination? So there are 2 ways to avoid procrastination. The first one is first one is 10-minute work. Now what is 10-minute work? 10-minute work, in this technique we will deceive our mind that I will just work for 10 minutes, because 10 minutes are not that much time. So the limbic system will obey that he will just work for 10 minutes and then we will enjoy. So in this 10-minute work you can deceive your mind to do work. And the second one is Pomodoro technique. Now what is Pomodoro technique? In Pomodoro technique we will work only for 25 minutes. We will work a lot of, but we will work only 25 minutes. After 25 minutes we will have a break for 5 minutes, because when we start study, so our graph line is on the top, but when we study for 25 minutes, in 25 minutes our studying graph line goes down. When our studying graph line is down, so then we cannot study as we were studying in the first. because in first our graph line was in top. So that's why in Pomodoro technique we will work for 25 minutes, then we will have 5 minutes break. So when you have 5 minutes break, so again your studying graph line will go up, and in this technique you can get work, you can pick up things a lot in a less time, because 25 minutes work, and 25 minutes you will work, and after 5 minutes there will be break. So when you take break, so your graph line will be up and you can pick everything very good. Thanks. It was about procrastination. Is there any questions about procrastinations?